Southern forests are at a tipping point. Millions of acres are densely packed with small trees that threaten forest health, increase wildfire risks, and make it harder to maintain ecological balance. Landowners across the region are working hard to manage their forests, but as markets for these smaller trees rapidly decline, we risk losing these forests to other uses. That's where Keeping Forests and our partners come in. We're launching a prize challenge, a global competition to crowdsource innovative solutions for this untapped resource. By inviting fresh ideas from any industry, we can turn small trees into valuable products, catalyze new markets, and strengthen economic opportunities to keep forest as forest for generations to come. To kickstart this effort, we held an innovation workshop in November of 2024, bringing together experts from forestry, conservation, business, and beyond. Their mission? To help define the prize challenge, framing the critical questions, identifying the opportunities, and setting the stage for groundbreaking outcomes.
What excites me most about bringing new innovators into this field is the opportunity to bolster our current forest products markets. We now have an immense array of unique utilization that we can use with our small diameter wood and other products that have traditionally been in a non-market or a challenged market.
A small diameter tree is generally considered to be under 12 inches in diameter at breast height. When you harvest large diameter trees, you have small diameter trees out on the landscape, and you need to find uses for those too. And if you're leaving those small diameter trees out there, you are increasing the risk of fire danger. By finding markets for them and removing them, you can create a healthier forest.
There's so many small private landowners in the South. So this is an opportunity to make sure those forests are managed healthy. A market to help keep forests healthy and free of wildfire is extremely important for all state foresters in the Southeast.
I think it's important for landowners that they can maximize the value of their investment in forest land over a long-term cycle. And in order for this management process to be viable, there needs to be a stream of income to maximize the value that they are deriving from that land. And it can't just be the large diameter wood, or the likelihood of that land being converted to a non-forest use increases.
What excites me about the work that we're doing today is the fact that there are so many very intelligent people addressing this issue so thoroughly.
Well, collaboration is really important for innovations. If you only interact with the same type of people or same type of profession, then you're going to get similar types of ideas. But when you go outside that circle and you encompass a wider area, then you're more likely to find innovations that exist in that sector that can easily be adapted to your sector. It would really benefit not only the community, but also the ecosystem, as well as your company, to invest in this homegrown local product.
There are new biofuels that are actually utilizing wood as the feedstock, which if you were to tell me 5 years ago that we were making jet fuel out of pine trees, I might have laughed you back to the truck. We're able to take a renewable resource and utilize it to produce a sustainable fuel for transportation, and it gives us an opportunity to create new markets.
I think as people have this understanding that forestry is a sustainable industry, there's going to be greater acceptance and greater interest in forest products, and that's going to lead to additional innovation.
The forest industry, although it's large, is actually small in terms of innovation. Nobody knows outside of the industry that if these pulp and paper mills close or these other mills close, that these forests might be cut down for other purposes. So it's making the world understand this exists, and then letting all these innovators from around the world come in and help come up with a solution. So in this case, it's specifically coming up with innovations to utilize small diameter wood so it's managed so that we can keep our forests as forests.
The challenge is clear, but the opportunity is even greater. What happens next could inspire a new era of innovation, one that creates healthier landscapes, strengthens communities, and leaves a lasting legacy of sustainability across the South.
Hi, I'm Marcus Taylor.
I'm Bobby Frank.
My name is Leslie Bobby.
I'm Joe Sissoko.
My name is John Mulcahy.
I'm Chris Rangione.
I'm Webb Owen.
And we are working hard to keep forests
As forests.